Grab your pen and journal and get ready to combine the law of attraction with the power of gratitude and appreciation to transform your life. This journaling activity will allow you to refocus your mind away from negative aspects and towards positive aspects in your current experience, to open yourself to abundances, opportunities, and blessings, and to help manifest success in your goals and intentions. Jumping right into things, go ahead and write down this template sentence. I remember when blank, and I am so appreciative because now blank. Now let me show you how to use this sentence in this journaling activity. Grab your journal and open it up to a set of blank pages. You're going to be aiming for 20 sentences total. You're going to have 10 sentences on one side and then 10 sentences on the other. So your first set of 10 are going to be about your current life experience. You'll use the first part of the sentence, I remember when, and you'll fill in the blank with something from your past. Then you'll continue on, and I am so appreciative because now, and you'll fill in the corresponding element from your current life experience. For example, you can say, I remember when I had roommates. I remember when I was couch surfing and I prayed to have my own place. And I am so appreciative now because I do have my own place. I have my own apartment, a sanctuary that I can call home. Now yours could be a little bit shorter. I was just talking off the top of my head, but that's what you want to be aiming for. I think you're smelling what I'm stepping in. What this does is it really allows you to count your blessings and take stock of your current life experiences that are going well. In this way, you begin looking out in your world with a different perspective. Things that perhaps you feel are not going as well in your current life experience, it may give you a bit more hope because you're able to see, okay, I've gone through things in the past and I'm okay now. And the situations that I'm going through now, even though they may seem a bit difficult, I know that there is a positive outcome that is waiting for me. Remember, where attention goes, energy flows. So if you're constantly giving negative energy and negative focus and negative intentions towards what you're currently experiencing in life, then you're probably going to receive more experiences that will allow you to complain. If you give more positive attention and positive focus and count your blessings, you're going to begin to expect and see more of those things in life. So you're going to get more things to be appreciative for. This activity is a good way to remind yourself of how far you've come in life so you don't lose your focus on your current goals and intentions. And it also reminds you that you have the power to make dramatic, big, positive transformations in your life, no matter how difficult or hard your current situation may seem. You've done it before, you can do it again. Let's move on to the next 10. Your second set of 10 are going to be for the things that you wish to bring into your life or manifest into your experience. You're going to use the first part of this same sentence. We're going to write it using the present tense exactly the same way. I remember when, and you'll fill in the blank with some aspect of your current life experience. Something that you wish to transform, something that's giving you inspiration to want more for yourself or want better for yourself. And then you'll continue on, I am so appreciative because now, and then you'll fill in the blank with your desired goal or your desired intention or your desired manifestation as if it has already been completed. So you're writing that in the present tense. What this is doing is it's taking that energy of appreciation and gratitude and thanks. Typically, we offer that after something has been done and we are satisfied with it. So if we go back to that phrase that I told you before, where attention goes, energy flows, what we're doing is we're giving that energy of appreciation, of thanks, of gratitude, as well as it is already done. We're living in the present moment, and this is allowing us to shift our focus, shift our energy, shift our intentions, so that your corresponding actions that you engage in will allow you to just see more and be open to more opportunities and abundances and blessings. Previously, where you would have been focusing on negative things and really been shut down, Perhaps now, after doing this activity for, a consistent period of time, it will retrain your mind and retrain your focus in order to see see a door where others may see a wall, and just to open you up to more. If you've enjoyed this journaling activity, be sure to check out my free evening space guide. It'll guide you through a well-rounded evening self-care practice with techniques just like this for self-reflection and even meditation. So you can use the journaling activity that you learned in this video there in order to get things flowing. I would suggest trying this journaling activity for about 21 days and then note any experiences or changes in your life. I'll be sure to include the link to that guide in the description box below. Before you go, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next practice, and meanwhile, here are 2 more videos that YouTube thinks that you would love.